Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name's Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today, with our Farmer's Table yellow onions, we'll be creating an air fryer blooming onion. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Slice off the onion stem and peel. Cut your onion down to about 1 inch from the root. Here's a tip: place cutting boards on either side of the onion to prevent your knife from going further. Cut the onion into 12 to 16 sections. Gently pull apart the onion petals. Whisk together your eggs with 1 tablespoon of water. In a separate bowl, whisk together breadcrumbs, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, onion powder. Dip your onion into the egg wash and fully coat. Dredge your onion in the breadcrumb mixture and sprinkle with a spoon to ensure full coverage inside and out. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees. Drizzle and spray with olive oil. Cook your onion until tender and crisp. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, paprika, garlic powder, oregano, pepper, salt, hot sauce. Mix thoroughly. Remove from the air fryer and plate. Garnish your sauce with Bren B cilantro. Using the air fryer allows you to bring this roadhouse classic into your home as a healthier option. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more Farmer's Table recipes. Until then, keep cooking.